Have you ever looked at a photo and thought, I wish that distracting person wasn't in the background? Or this would look so much better on a tropical beach. Well, what if I told you that you could do all of that and more just by typing a few words? No complicated software, no years of experience needed. Welcome back, friends. It's me, that internet guy, and in this tutorial, we're unlocking the magic of the FlexClip AI Photo Editor tool. By the end of this video, you'll have learned how to magically remove any unwanted object from your photos in one click, how to transport your subject to any location by changing the background with a simple text prompt, how to transform your photo's entire style, like turning a real person into a cartoon character for an awesome thumbnail, and finally, how to pull it all together to create the foundation of a stunning video. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll be creating your own AI-powered magic. Let's dive in. Section 1. Setting up your project. First things first, let's get set up. Head over to FlexClip.com and create a free account. It's super quick. Once you're in, you'll see a very friendly dashboard. Click on Create a Video. But wait, before we even start our video, we're going to use a secret weapon, the AI Photo Editor. To find it, look on the left-hand toolbar for the AI Tools section and click on AI Photo Editor. This is our magic workshop where we'll prepare all of our images with simple text commands. Think of it as giving your photos a superpower. Section 2. The power of the AI Photo Editor. Let's start with the Change Background feature. I've uploaded this simple photo. Now watch this. I click Change Background, and in the prompt box, I'll type, place these dogs on a sunny beach next to the ocean. I'll hit Generate, and look at that. In seconds, the dogs are placed on a beautiful beach. The AI handled the lighting and shadows perfectly. Pro tip, for the best results, use a photo with a clear subject against a plain background. The AI finds it much easier to work its magic that way. Next up, let's remove a person from a photo. Here is a photo of 3 people. I want to remove the person on the right. No problem. I'll type remove the person on the right. The man. Click Generate and it's gone instantly, as if he was never there. This is a game changer for creating perfect product shots or cleaning up travel photos. Finally, let's get really creative and change the entire style of an image. I'll take our new beach photo and use the AI text-to-image generator. Here, I can upload my photo and give a new style. Let's type. Turn this photo into a vibrant 3D cartoon. Watch as it completely transforms the image. This is absolutely fantastic for creating unique YouTube thumbnails that will make people click. Bonus tip, don't be afraid to experiment with wild prompts. Try things like cyberpunk cityscape or watercolor painting. You can generate multiple options and pick your favorite. The key is to have fun and see what the AI can do. Section 3. From photos to video. Once you've created a collection of amazing AI-enhanced images, simply download them to your computer. Now, head back to your main FlexClip project dashboard. It's time to build our video. Just drag and drop your new images into the storyboard timeline. You can arrange them in any order, add smooth transitions between them, drop in some background music, and even record your voiceover directly in FlexClip. See how easy that was? In just a few minutes, you've gone from a few simple photos to the foundation of a professional AI-powered video. Conclusion and recap. And that's a wrap. Just like that, you've learned how to become an AI photo editing wizard. To quickly recap, in this video we covered how to magically remove any unwanted object from your photos in one click, using the Change Background tool to place any subject in a new AI-generated scene, cleaning up images perfectly with the Remove Object tool for flawless photos, getting creative with style transformation to generate unique artwork from your pictures, and combining it all in a FlexClip project to start building your own AI-powered videos. The power is now in your hands. So, what will you create first? Head to FlexClip and try the AI Photo Editor for yourself. Let me know in the comments which feature blew your mind. If this simple guide helped you, please click that like button and subscribe for more tips that make tech easy. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.